Paul and
Attention, lagi na.
attention ready, much shouted Antonio the boy. Shoulder every time he played
Played. Kapila na kanibasa na.
which his
With.
with his fellow boy showed
Soldiers. Sinumdumi, Mercy?
Antonio's favorite game when he was a boy was playing the role of a soldier. He wanted to become a general when he grew up. Every day after school and on weekends too, he would attend
Tudluag asa na ka.
assemble his
Ordin ka ha.
troops
Troops.
at the park near their
Tarungag tudlo.
barangay to play the
Soldier, lagi na.
soldier. They
Used.
use
Sinumdumi, Mercy? Sabta nang gibasa. Unsa na nga mga words?
use
Guns.
guns and swords made of bamboo. They use aluminum
Pots.
pots as helmets.
Helmets.
What flag can we use as Antonio? That's easy. I go where to get one.
Replied.
Replied
Asa na ka? Tudluan na ka na na. Suwayig basa.
Jose. He ran home and
Pulled. Ayaw, ipuro. Pulled.
one nice rectangular dried sweet
Teeth.
from his mother's chatties. Shot his
Clothes.
line.
Tuduag tarong lagi.
Where did you get this? It's perfect